Hi. Welcome to the Quickworks YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how you can access the payment feature of Quicksuite, a super app by Quickworks. The Payment tab represents the payments of all merchants associated with the platform. From here, you can select the module to see the payments of specific module merchants. The list shows the following details: name and email tabs that refer to the merchants. The Commission Type tab indicates how the admin will earn revenue. It can either be in percentage or it can be a fixed amount. The total commission denotes the commission amount paid to the admin. The paid amount refers to the amount that the admin pays to the merchant, and the unpaid amount represents the amount to be paid to the merchant. By clicking the Pay button, the admin can pay the outstanding amount to the merchant. The payment history tells the past transactions with a particular merchant. The order commission refers to the amount earned on one order by the admin. This video completes the payment feature for Quicksuite. Refer to our website to learn more about Quicksuite. Check the link in the description box.